Every journey begins with the thrill of the unknown and the calm of knowing you're in control. Introducing the all-new Mercedes-Benz Dashcam, a new vision for safety and memories. On every road, there are moments of magic. With 360-degree surround fisheye cam and 3-channel recording, you don't miss them in the blink of an eye. Sometimes unexpected bumps become unwelcome surprises. With G-sensor impact detection, the dashcam spots every bump and saves it, so you can retrace your steps anytime. When you're lost in the moment, you shouldn't lose sight of safety, which is why you can count on parking surveillance to look out for you even when you aren't around. Don't leave visibility on the road to the mysteries of the night. The dashcam watches over you with superior low-light recording and image stabilization to spot the smallest details in the darkness. Drive with safety you can rely on journeys short and long. With intelligent power management that keeps a watchful eye without draining your battery. Capture the journey. Cherish the moments that you can safely save and share via the Drive Record 360 app. The all-new Mercedes-Benz Dashcam, a new vision for safety and memories.